Logging the details of a client interaction in a call report is important. Sharing those details with the appropriate colleagues in real time creates opportunities to monetize this client intelligence. Tier 1's standard call report form gives users the power to share information across the firm in a safe and secure way. Let's take a look how it works. Dan Carling of the U.S. sales team has an interaction with Greg Brackett, the Chief Investment Officer at Brackett Capital Management. A phone call on market conditions. After entering the details about this interaction, Dan goes to the Notification List tab. We see that because of the information that Dan logged on the Details tab, a few of his coverage team partners have been automatically added to the Notification List section. Dan also has the opportunity to add additional team members according to several criteria: the region in which they work, the product team that they support, or their coverage team, both at the account and contact level. Finally, Dan can manually enter teammates, such as Mark Benham, his cash trader, so that Mark will also receive the details of this interaction where he can attempt to monetize it. Remember to select the Send Notifications checkbox and click Save and Send to disseminate the information captured in this call report.